اسمي جاسلين.
My name is Jasiline.
أنا ودي شكرا عشان منظمة EPC.
I really give thanks to the organization of Water is Basic, EPC.
عشان في زمن تعسل جسادنا بموية.
Because of this time they have come to help us with the water.
إننا كان بالفعل أنت بنين ما كلمت موية.
By then we are really suffering here because of water.
وإن الناس اللي كان جرى ما جرى إننا refugees.
And we are displaced in this place.
يلا بيتا بينا جرى فوق ده إننا كان نيجو فوق موية.
And the place where we have come from, there is water.
يلا موية ده إننا كان أسربو فترة maybe كانوا بيكون بعملوا 3 شهور كده.
So the time we have come here, we have only used this water here for 3 months.
فموية ده بيجا جا كهربو.
Then this borehole got spoiled.
فبالفعل إننا كان سفر شديد ما كلمت موية لكن في زمن يوم ليلة أنا ودي شكرا كبير.
And all this time that this borehole has got broken, we have really suffered here because of water. And as it was repaired now, we are really very happy.
عشان منظمة EPC جسد إننا ما كلمت موية.
Because of this organization of EPC, they have really come to help us with our water. So let them continue like this with their kindness to us, so that they will continue ahead. I don't have much to say. I just want to give them thanks. And thanks.